Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use digital skill building on SmilePi. So digital skill building has two applications. It has typing application, and then a GCF Learn Free. Now, typing application, if we could go there, it teaches us how to type. Yeah. So when you're going to type, you put your hand the way those two hands have been put, and then you follow with this, where I let the corresponding finger click on the button that is highlighted or bolded. For example, L, I entered the wrong one, yeah, because I did not put my hand well. So let us start afresh. So L space D A D space F A L L S space A L L space. Now if you enter a wrong, if you press a wrong button, it will show you like the way you see here. I instead of pressing L, I put my finger in a wrong position, and I pressed a different button, and you can see the error there. So it will show you the ones that you did not do right. For example, that one. So this application is supposed to help us type faster, because as our fingers get used, we start to memorize them. They call them muscle memory, where you don't see the keyboard. You just type while looking at the screen. It will show you, after you are done, it will show you the words per minute. Yeah. So if you're too slow, it will show you, like, let's say you took 10 minutes typing the thing, typing a short word. It will show you that you have this number of words per minute. Yeah. So it will show you your statistics here. The other application that I want to show you is the GCF Learn Free. It's Learn Technology Skills. And these technology skills allows us to learn how to use technology in our daily life. For example, let's explore the skills. It has topics like computers, and computer topics will teach you what computer is, what is inside. Basically, it's like explain to you what computer is with all the components of the computer. Then email will teach you how to use what email is, and how to use emails, and how to communicate generally using emails, because that is what a lot of people do these days. So if you have that skills, I think it would be very beneficial. Then Internet Basics, this one will show you different web browsers: Chrome, Firefox, Explorer 1. These days we have Edge for Microsoft. We have Safari for Mac. And then it will show you different operating system: Macintosh for Apple computers, and then Windows XP for Windows computers or PCs. It will also show you, it will also guide you on how to be safe online safety, how to guard your password, how to protect your online transactions, let's check it briefly. Password, how to protect your computer from internet threats, how to protect your emails from spams and scams, how to stay safe while browsing, how to protect your online transactions, how to protect yourself from how to be safe on social media, Facebook, Twitter, all those social media out there. And then how to, and it will also show you the online harassment, what it is. It will guide you on how to avoid online, cyber addiction, stalking, harassment. It will also show you wireless and mobile device safety, guide you on how to be safe, how to protect your devices or data on the wireless network. Yeah. Then we have the that was technology basics. Then we have living in the online world. How to use Android Android basics, the Android phones that we use, the Samsungs, the Technos, they use Android, iPad and iPhones. They use iPad uses iPad OS, iPhone uses iOS. It will teach you how those things work, how to navigate through them, how to use them. Then digital skills, how to search on the internet. If they say, can you search for me about this? It will show you it will guide you on how to search on the internet. Then the tech savvy tips and tricks, use of information correctly, and then photos and graphics, digital photography, image editing, Photoshop basics. These are photo editing, yeah? And then social media, blog basics, Facebook, Pinterest, Skype, Twitter. It will guide you on how to use them. Yeah, because some people have smartphones, but all they do with is a call. They buy smartphones because other people are buying. They don't know actually that you can do a lot with it. So this application is here to help guide you on how to use them. Then using the cloud, Google Cloud, Google Docs, OneDrive, very many. These days there are very many cloud applications that allow us to store our data on the cloud, and this will guide you on basic way of how to start using cloud, how to store your emails or your contacts on the cloud, and then so that even if your phone is lost, all you have to do is log into your device and then access all your data. Then leaving Microsoft Office, this one is taught in the schools. This one is Office. The Microsoft Office includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. It has Publisher. It has Access. Yeah, and then so these ones are taught mostly, and this is the application people use most, because when you want to type up your work, you have to use Microsoft Office Word. If you want to make a presentation, you have to use Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to do accounting, you have to use Microsoft Excel. If you want to do database related things, you have to use Access. If you want to use design certificates and what, you use a Publisher. Yeah, so it has all those things that you can learn. So all this application teaches you on how to use that application. And the more you read through, the more you learn from it, the more you get better. Then it has everyday life, all activity around town, food and cooking. All this has like guides on how to do those things. For example, food and cooking will give you will give you will teach you how to cook. Yeah, let's open one. Yeah, so like grocery list, how to make a list of items you want to buy at the store, step by step on how to do those things, which I think we already do every day. And it is we already do every day, but you can still learn from it. And then it has math. This is a basic mathematics: addition, subtraction, division, fraction, decimal, percentage. Then reading, it teaches you how to read. Let's check one also. Let's check addition. Teaches us basic addition. See, like this. This is 4. So this it is a way of putting things together, like adding things. Basic mathematics. Basic mathematics. And then let's check on fraction. Comparing fraction, let's see. See, like this, 6/8, 7/8. Yeah? So these are daily things, that basic mathematics that we need to have to arm ourselves with, and so that we are not cheated. It has even English, learning how to read. You can learn how to read from here. Let's see. Do you need to learn how to read? Okay, this one is asking for a flash player, which I don't have. So yeah, but this application is very important. Very important. As you can see, this is learning how to read contraction, possessive sentences. This is grammar. And you can learn this. By the way, I've just realized that in our daily English, we don't use correct grammar most of the time. And this is the best way to start learning how to use correct grammar. These days, people speak as long as someone has understood. Then it has career guidance, work and career. Cover letter, how to write a cover letter, how to interview skills, how to learn the interview, job application, how to search for jobs, how to network if you want to get a job, how to network with the right people, how to write your resume, money basics, then workplace. So this digital skill building is very important, especially to teachers, even to learners. It is very important, and it can help a lot. Yeah. So those are the two applications: typing practice, and then GCF Learn for Free. And thank you so much for listening. I am happy that we are continuing with all this, and I pray that what I'm teaching helps people, helps build your career, build your life, and make you a better person in terms of knowledge and general. So thank you so much. May God bless you.